The 2024 MLB trade deadline has come and gone, leaving fans and analysts buzzing with excitement or dismay. Some teams bolstered their rosters with major acquisitions, while others stayed quiet, content with their current lineups or hamstrung by financial constraints. The New York Yankees, always a favorite at the deadline, made a significant splash by acquiring an ace pitcher from the Arizona Diamondbacks. This move, aimed at solidifying their rotation for a deep postseason run, has been met with widespread approval from the fan base. Meanwhile, the Los Angeles Dodgers were relatively quiet, only making minor tweaks to their bullpen, a strategy that has left some fans scratching their heads but trusting in the team's long-term vision. On the flip side, the rebuilding Oakland Athletics traded away their star slugger for a haul of promising prospects, signaling a commitment to their future despite short-term pain. The Chicago Cubs, in a surprise move, acquired a veteran closer that could be the missing piece in their quest for a playoff berth. Analysts are divided on this move, with some praising the Cubs' aggression and others questioning the value given up. Over in the American League Central, the Minnesota Twins and Cleveland Guardians both made lateral moves, shuffling minor league talent but not making any major headlines. Finally, the Houston Astros, the reigning World Series champions, opted to stand pat, showing confidence in their existing roster. As the dust settles, only time will reveal the true winners and losers of the 2024 MLB trade deadline. But one thing is clear: the decisions made today will echo throughout the remainder of the season and beyond.